RPC, celebrating 25 years. 1991, and RPC Containers is formed, the result of a management buyout of 5 UK plastic packaging factories, following the takeover of Reedpack by Svenska Cellulosa Aktiebolaget.
We've been bought by SCA, who really didn't want a plastic business, so they were keen for us to move on to different ownership. And from our perspective, it seemed like a heaven-sent opportunity to have some independence and grow what at the time was an underperforming business, but which we believed had great prospects and a great future. One of the unique features of the RPC management buyout was the level of support from the employees.
As a dedicated plastic packaging business, the company is an immediate success, and just 2 years later floats on the UK stock market.
The stock market flotation was a consequence of the fact that we were an MBO, and MBOs are funded by venture capitalists who are always looking for the best internal rate of return.
The financial backing of major investors enables RPC to grow its business by acquisitions as well as organically, and in particular to look beyond the UK to meet the demands of an increasingly global market.
It was particularly the lubricating oil market, the lubricating oil customers who were saying that the future they saw very much with the suppliers who had European facilities.
After the flotation, we always said that we wanted to get into mainland Europe, we wanted to expand overseas. And so a number of us started to take French lessons. And over those 2 years, I think we managed to do quite well and got our French to a reasonably good standard.
And at the start of 1997, RPC more than doubles in size with the acquisition of Continental Plastics Europe.
When we got into the RPC group, we felt immediately the total understanding of the needs that the plastic has on bigger investments, quicker decision making, and very innovative approach towards market.
Having a major presence throughout mainland Europe spurs RPC onto continued growth, and the company maintains its proactive acquisitions policy of both smaller specialist businesses and larger enterprises, such as the non-dairy business of Nampak Plastics Europe in 2004. Despite this growth, the group's success remains founded on the principles of devolved operations.
Becoming part of the RPC group, we're coming in a complete new system, in a really family system, short decision, not a big overhead, and that makes us very good at customers. Every general manager has his own plan, and he takes self-control. He thinks it's his own company.
By now, RPC is recognised as one of the leading companies in the packaging industry, a fact underlined by the winning of a variety of awards, including being named UK Packaging Company of the Year. 2011 sees another significant milestone, as RPC strengthens its injection moulding capabilities with the acquisition of Superfos.
Being a member of the RPC group has been a pleasure and still is. We continue to invest in new designs in our engineering and design capability, which is quite important for us in order to capture business. And also speed to market is a key theme for us in order to be able to bring products to the market.
As RPC continues to grow, its ability to serve the global market becomes increasingly important. And in 2013, the further expansion of the business outside of Europe becomes a key part of RPC's Vision 2020 growth strategy.
Our multinational customers really want us to follow them around the world. They particularly like what we can do in terms of our design and engineering capability.
The move to create a meaningful presence outside Europe is ideally demonstrated in 2014 with the acquisition of Ace Corporation Holdings in China.
I think the main benefit of ACE is now becoming a part of a global company. We are able to service a lot of our global customers with the help of our sister organizations. The current designs of RPC packagings are considered very innovative and new in the Asian countries.
2015 sees another significant development with the acquisition of Promans. This not only increases RPC's international presence, but the vehicles and materials handling operations also extend RPC's capabilities outside of packaging.
Non-packaging markets in plastic conversion have exactly the same needs as we have in packaging markets. So over time we've seen that our skill set applies to non-packaging markets as well as packaging markets, and thereby we can grow our business.
The acquisition of Promans has opened up many interesting non-packaging opportunities for RPC. We're now the leader in Europe for rotational moulding, and with our Cyplast brand we dominate the market for insulated tubs to the fisheries and the protein market. In addition to this, we've got reaction injection moulding, large vacuum forming, and we now sell large plastic parts for large vehicles.
So, as RPC celebrates its 25th anniversary with another major acquisition, the GCS Group, the company is in great shape.
It's an exciting place to be. Things are changing all the time, and with the people in the divisions across the business and the new ones we meet, we learn something every day, so it's a really great place to be.
Greatest achievement of the company is its resilience through the bad economic times and also the significant growth that we're achieving at this point in time. It's the people who can focus, are entrepreneurial, and that's a real achievement given the very interesting environment that we've been in over the last 7-8 years.
It's like being part of a family.
Every customer we put through our plants, he always says the same word, and I'm very proud of this. He says, "Now I know you can do everything."
We've always concentrated on quality and service.
RPC is built on people, and people make the whole thing tick.
It's a lot of fun. It's a big team. It feels like a family.
Actually, I think that we have done a fantastic job together with the RPC.
It's a fast-growing company, lots of change going on, with that bringing lots of challenges and lots of opportunities.
We're global, we're innovative, and we had a great team.
Always something new going on. We don't stand still.
As a designer, it's a wonderful place to be. I'm not doing the same thing every day.
I think what have really created the quality of RPC, that we run this company all together.
A wonderful experience.
We do intend to grow further, both organically and through acquisitions, to increase our presence outside of Europe and hopefully to be an entrepreneurial company as we are today.
A successful international plastic products design and engineering company that has not lost sight of the principles that have taken it this far. RPC, celebrating 25 years.